So here I have an EMAG, an electromagnet. You'll notice that the current goes down this way and then continues and goes up the opposite way with the intention of putting a magnetic field of an opposing polarity inside the magnet with more energy than the outer coil, which is why you do it on the outside. And the intention is to create an asymmetrical magnetic field, and with that you can push an object a certain direction. Now, if I jiggle this, you'll notice it'll move slightly, but it'll have a bias towards this direction. Now, if I put 20 volts through it, you'll notice something interesting. And as I move this into the flux, as I move the center coil into the flux of the outer, you'll notice it'll move very strangely. Because of the asymmetrical magnetic field, it has a bias, even if it's weak, towards this direction, even in spite of the gravity, which has a natural bent towards this direction. I can't do this for long because of the heat that it generates. With this contraption, you can see and observe an asymmetrical electromagnetic field. All right.